Wednesday, first day of October 2025. Old US Highway 129 bridge over the Suwannee River. We're looking back north, turning west. Interesting. Looking south. We're going to Suwannee Springs. We'll be adding video from Suwannee Springs to this. There's no date that I can find on this bridge. If anybody knows when this bridge was constructed, I would like to know that. Might be able to Google it and find out, I don't know. Looking back east, you see the limestone down there, how the river cuts through limestone. Black River tannic acid. Looking west. The new 129 bridge, right behind the trees there. I hear people. They may be hiking or they may be swimming. We do not want to drop the phone. It'll just be gone if we do. We would not try to retrieve it. Canoers paddling. Smile, you're on YouTube. Or you will be shortly. Not deep enough?
Well, not really.
I'm just getting video.
Beautiful though, ain't it?
It sure is. I love it. Yeah, I'm out of Atlanta and Athens up there, and so
Okay.
I'm down here getting YouTube video. Yeah, thank you. Y'all too.
What's your YouTube channel?
I use my initials RCMCRMC. Or either Crowbird Videos on YouTube. Okay, thank you. Okay, great, thanks. Looking up to Suwannee Springs up there, and they have given me verbal permission to use them on YouTube. Okay, let's go up to the springs. When we finish at the springs, we are going to head on back to Perry, Georgia, get ready for the Georgia National Fair. Okay, now we will go down to the springs. There's a lot of water coming out of the ground down here. It's really neat. Eight to 7, swimming, picnicking, hiking. We'll put on our water shoes in case we want to do a little wading anyway. I don't know that we'll do any swimming, but we may do some wading. Strong smell of sulfur. Has a yellowish tint to it as well. Looking west towards the bridge. Now we'll go down to the beach area. Looking back downstream west, turning, checking out this black water. Tannic acid gives it its dark color, brilliant reflectiveness. Looking upstream east towards its headwaters in the Okefenokee Swamp. This sand is hourglass sand. I dropped this camera. This stuff is so fine, almost like talc. And it just clung to the handle. We may have to charge this battery before we can upload this video on this camera. Wednesday, October the 1st, 2025. Looking upstream, Suwannee River to Suwannee Springs. We'll be going over there shortly. This is the old US Highway 129 bridge. It is looking south. This is looking west on the Suwannee River. Suwannee River comes out of the Okefenokee Swamp. There's a black river, tannic acid. Looking north up the old US 129 bridge. We're going to go to Suwannee Springs down there. We may get ourselves in the water a little bit. We do not know yet. We'll go ahead and upload this short. Get a couple of still pictures and add to it.